Hello, my name is Tanveer Shah, and I'm an attorney in Scottsdale, Arizona. Over the years, we have been repeatedly asked by our clients, what should you do if you find yourself in a car accident? In this video, I intend to share with you the critical steps you must take after a car accident. The first thing you always want to do is make sure that your vehicle is pulled off to a safe location. Obviously, in situations that happen on the road, it can be of grave consequence if you leave your vehicle in an unsafe position or you yourself are in an unsafe position. The second thing that you want to do is, as soon as you are physically able to, you want to take photographs of both vehicles. Not only your vehicle that you were in, but also the other car that caused the crash. Oftentimes it's referred to as the bullet car. Also make sure that your photographs give some type of reference. For example, if you take a photo so close of a vehicle where you can't see exactly where the damage is or how the damage relates to other positions of the vehicle, that photograph isn't all that helpful. You want to make sure that you exchange information. Make sure that you get all of the other drivers' information as well as your information being shared with them. In addition, don't make any statements to anybody. Wait for the police to arrive. Even if you believe that the crash is something that's minor, you want to make sure that the police are involved. Oftentimes people's stories can change after the fact, or they speak to somebody else, or they speak to an attorney, and now you don't have a police officer on scene to be able to take those statements, be able to gather statements from witnesses, for example, diagram the scene. All of those things need to be done by the police officers when they arrive. If, again, you are physically able to do so, make sure that you get witness statements, contact information, and phone numbers. Oftentimes, these are very helpful in our cases after the fact because people's stories change. And as we get farther down the road, people's memory gets a little bit hazy. Witnesses allow us to be able to have evidence that is very, very helpful in our cases. Also, if you are in any kind of pain, make sure that you report that at the scene. If you're not, the next few days may be vital, and if you feel anything, make sure that you get appropriate medical care. If you have to go to an emergency room or you have to go to an urgent care, do that. Identifying injuries sooner rather than later is critically important. Also, make sure that you don't speak to anybody about the crash. That includes your own insurance company, another insurance company, should anybody call. Those comments can be taken out of context and used against you. The only people that you should be speaking to are your medical providers and obviously the police that respond on the scene. Finally, I instruct all of my clients to limit all of their social media posts. Don't post any photos or anything about your injuries because oftentimes the insurance company obtains that information and will ultimately use it against you. I strongly advise that you don't post anything on any platforms. Hopefully, these tips will help you or a loved one should they find themselves in the unfortunate situation of being hit by somebody in a car accident. If you or a loved one actually needs help because you've been a victim of a car accident, please give our firm a call. Our number is 480-818-4855. We're here to help. Thanks.